The home club being Killimer started off, they had celebrated their 150 years 2 years ago, and it would be a traditionally hurling club in East Galway. They say they're going from 1879, I think, which is before the GA was formed, so they'd be an old traditional hurling club. Hurling was the only game we had around East Galway at that time. There was a couple of football clubs, but the only time we had a football was we killed the pig. The pig's bladder was our main football in them times. Moved to London in 1967. My brother Liam, he would be home on holidays, and we were to Galway races, and then I decided to move to London with him, so I'm there since. St. Gabriel's Hurling Club in London, they would be formed by nearly all Galway people at the time, and this is our 60th year. It's a big year for the club. They would have been great ambassadors for the immigrants. They would have helped out and left no stone unturned to help people. I suppose I was playing for probably about 9 years before I got involved in administration, if you like. Then I went as a board delegate for the club and moved on from there to different roles within London and the Provincial Council of Britain. I was a provincial delegate for London GA to the Provincial Council of Britain. I would have went on for Central Council delegate for London. 2012, I became president of the Council of Britain, and then I moved to John Horton, gave me the role of chairman of the National Fellow, which was a great honour to get at the end of your time. When I came in as president of the Council of Britain, I set up ABC, an all-Britain competition. We had probably about 400 to 500 the first year, and as of last year, there was 2,500 children were taking part over a period of time. And from the other side of the development there was the ladies' football. There was very little underage ladies' football in Britain, and we got them going with the ABC. Probably had about 20 girls the first year, and now there's about 600 girls playing ladies' football at underage structure, which I think is a great achievement. Twinning, I suppose, was a good thing with the counties. When Britain was twinned with Ulster GA, which has been very supportive, and London was twinned with Connacht. So we would be linked in there for educational purposes, for the coaching and games development, and doing foundation course level 1, level 2 for our adults, which is the continuity, the future of the game in reality, like, you know. The clubs are a great hub for immigrants to get linked into them as they arrive, or even long before they arrive, and have set up a base. And then we have our culture, music and dance as well, and we kind of link in with that. And there's a lot of areas there for the people that's travelling to get them organised, get them set up, and make it a home from home for them. There's always a welcome for you when you come to Croke Park. I suppose being involved a long time, I would have known 90% of the staff that worked here, which was great. You could have a stroll from office to office to say hello while you were visiting, and you were always made welcome. And they were always very supportive of the overseas units. It's actually a lovely medal. I'm delighted to get a recognition for my time. I suppose my wife would have said I spent years missing, but I think after all it's worthwhile when you get something like that or to be recognised. So I say thanks very much to Larry and Croke Park staff.